Over the last year, the three major premier brand cruise lines, Princess, Holland America, and Celebrity, have made a lot of changes to their perk packages. We're going to go over what's included in those perk packages now and which one has the most value. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Rob from Cruise Seekers, and welcome to our show today. We are going to talk about perk packages with the premier brands. A lot of changes have happened over the last year, and a lot of bad information right now is out there, even on my own channel, with the perk packages. So we're going to go a complete refresh on this. We're going to talk about the three major premier brands and their perk packages. We're going to be talking about the Celebrity all-included package, the Princess Plus and Princess Premier, as well as Holland America's Have It All, and also their early booking Have It All. There's a little difference between the two. So let's get into this. But before we do, I want to thank everybody who has become a member of this Cruise Seekers community. Thank you so much for doing that. It is so appreciated. And if you're not a member of this Cruise Seekers community and you love cruise tips, you love information about the perk packages, you love reviews, you love cruise deals, hey, think about subscribing and turn that notification bell on. It will be so appreciated by us. And while you're down there, hit that like button. It really does help this YouTube algorithm. It does help other people find this channel. Thank you so much for doing that. Alrighty, so let's get into this. Let's talk about perk packages. We're going to first talk about the Celebrity all-included package. Alrighty, first off, the Celebrity all-included package. As of right now, December 31st, 2023, the Celebrity all-included package includes two perks. Those two perks are the Classic Drinks package and the Basic Unlimited Wi-Fi. Classic Drink package, if you need information on exactly what's included in it, well, I have a video for that. You can just kind of check it out. I'll link it up right there. The other thing you get is that Basic Unlimited Wi-Fi. The cool thing, it's unlimited, so there's no timer there. But what there is a basic line underneath there. So basic means you're going to just be able to check email, do some text messaging back and forth if you have iMessaging, maybe some direct messages through Facebook, basic light web browsing, no streaming of videos, no posting big pictures, big videos out into social media. It's not going to work for that. If you want to do that, you're going to need to upgrade your Wi-Fi to something along the Premier line, and that will help you get that bandwidth that you need to do those things. But that's what you get. Now, the tricky part with the Celebrity all-included package is you don't know how much you're going to pay for it. I've seen prices range from anywhere from $45 to $50 a night, up to the $80, $85, maybe $90 a night. It all depends upon the itinerary. It all depends on how many packages they sold. It's very, very dynamic. Basically, choose your cruise, see what the price is for the all-included package, and make a decision if it's worth it for you. Now we're going to talk about probably the biggest package out of them all. It's the Princess packages. You got two choices. You got Princess Plus and you got Princess Premier. With Princess Plus, you get three major perks, one being the tips included. The next is a drinks package. It's a really good drinks package. It will cover most of the bases that you're going to need. And the third one is unlimited Wi-Fi on one device per passenger. Again, this is a good Wi-Fi. This is not like a basic Wi-Fi. This is something that will kind of deal with streaming and other high-end type of needs and bandwidth. So it's good packages in that sense. You also do get some really nice little add-ons. You get a couple of desserts every day, which is, they call them premier desserts. You get a couple of fitness classes. You also get access to what used to be free, but now you get to casual meals at Alfredo's or some of those restaurants that Princess converted from being free to now being part of a package. So just understand that you get Alfredo's maybe a couple times a cruise, which is nice. But remember, it used to be free. And another free thing that's now part of a package is Princess Now, which is kind of where they come out to you and deliver your drinks or deliver any food to where you're sitting. That used to be free. Now it's included only in those bundled packages. And a final nice little thing that they did add to Princess Plus is free room service. I love free room service. I like the fact that they added that to the Princess Plus. And the last thing, which is now in both of these packages, is a juice bar. It's a nice little add-on. It's a place where you can go get some fresh juices kind of mixed up. It's a nice little add-on. nothing special, but it's there. All right, let's talk a little bit about Princess Premier now. Princess Premier is a little bit enhanced. You're going to get a better drink package. You're going to get the Premier drink package. You're also going to get up to 4 devices per person on the internet, which is another little nice thing. What you're also going to get is you're going to get 2 specialty dining meals, which is really, really good. And you're also going to be able to go to any of those casual dining meals anytime you want. You just don't have to. It's unlimited for you. Again, you're also going to get unlimited fitness classes. You're also going to get unlimited desserts. I don't know why you would want unlimited desserts. They're huge, but you're going to get them anyway. You're also going to get a really nice photo package, which is going to have unlimited digital prints. Another little nice perk. And like I said, with Princess Plus, you're going to have free room service. You're going to have the ability to get the stuff delivered to you. And you're also going to get that juice bar. Another little nice perk with Princess Premier is you're going to get reserved seating in the theater. No more having to shuttle off to the theater 30 minutes ahead of time to get a decent seat. You're going to have some seats waiting for you. Now, the best thing about Princess Perk packages is you understand exactly how much these things are going to cost you. Very simple. Princess Plus, $60 per person per night. Princess Premier, $80 per person per night. These are great prices for what you are getting in those packages, especially when you factor in that you're getting tips included, which is really nice because you're going to have to pay the tips anyway. And with Princess Premier, you get a true all-included package. Finally, we're going to talk a little bit now about Holland America's Have It All package. Now, Holland America has 2 major packages with the Have It All. They have the basic Have It All package and they have the early booking bonus Have It All. I'll go through these 2 specifically, but let's first kind of talk about the Have It All package and how it works. It's a basic package that you're going to be getting some amenities very similar to how Princess is, but the one difference between the 2 is that it's going to be stratified depending upon how long your cruise is. And there's 2 perks that will kind of be based upon that cruise length. The other 2 perks, it doesn't matter the cruise length. Let's get into that. First off, you're going to get the signature drink package, and it doesn't matter how long your cruise is. You're going to get that for no matter the length. The next thing you're going to get is the surf Wi-Fi package for each passenger. Again, it doesn't matter the length of the cruise. It's just something you're going to get with the Have It All package. Now, the 2 things that are going to matter based upon the length of your cruise is one, your shore excursion benefit, and the other one is your specialty dining benefit. You're going to have anywhere between 1 to 3 specialty dining experiences depending upon the length of your cruise with the Have It All package, and you're going to have anywhere between 100 to 300 shore excursion credit with the Have It All package depending upon the length of your cruise. Now, if you go to the Holland America site and you look up the Have It All package, they will tell you that it's going to cost you $55 per person per night. Now, if you do the math and you kind of go through a mock booking, you're not going to see $55 per person per night. I've been seeing $60 per person per night. I don't know if they kind of are saying it's $55 per person per night before gratuities. I'm not sure how they work it, but I haven't seen $55 per person per night. Maybe they just haven't updated the page, but in general, it's $60 per person per night for the Have It All. Now, if you're going to book a cruise further out in advance, we're talking about a year out in advance, those will get something called the early booking bonus to the Have It All package. What you're going to get with that is basically you're going to get a better drink package and a better Wi-Fi package. You're going to go to the Premier Wi-Fi, which is going to allow you to stream, and you're going to go to the Elite Beverage package, which is going to get you more access to more drinks that cost more money. Now, the other really cool thing you're going to get with the early booking bonus is your tips included here. That's what's basically going to come. And I've also seen sometimes you get onboard credit with early booking bonus. So always keep that in mind. That's not a guaranteed, but I have seen it with early booking bonus, some onboard credit. It probably depends upon if they're doing a promo for further out cruises. Now, the thing I don't like about what they call the early booking bonus, and they're saying you're getting a free upgrade, you're getting these other things for free. It's not really free. If you do the math and you see how much it costs per person per night, it's not going to be the $60, folks. It's going to be usually around $80. So I think it's a little deceptive for them to say it's a free upgrade and you're getting the tips now included for free, because the math doesn't show that. So I just wanted to let folks know that. Basically, you can do it yourself. yourself and you can kind of verify what I'm talking about here. Now, out of these three packages, the one that I like to set up the best is Princess. It's the most easiest one to understand. You don't have different matrices based upon cruise length. You basically get a list of this is what you get and this is the price, and they are very, very consistent about it. Now with Celebrity, I don't like the fact that you don't get tips included. It's one of those things, if you're going to call it all included, you better include tips. It doesn't make sense that you don't, and I also don't like the fact that it's dynamic pricing. You never know what you're going to pay for it. Now with Holland America, it's getting closer toward the Princess side, but it's a little bit more complicated. They talk about $55 on the website, but it's really $60, and then they talk about with the early booking bonus, it's free upgrades, but it's really not free when you do the math. So I kind of a little bit deceptive to me. I love what is included in the Holland America package. I just don't like some of the deceptive nature that with the pricing that they show on the website versus using the word free upgrades and not really being free. So that's what gets me most concerned about that one. But I do like what's included in the Have It All package with Holland America. Now, which one has the most value? That's hard to say. If you kind of look at pure dollar wise, I would probably say the Princess packages have the most value, but that does not necessarily mean you always cruise on Princess if you want to cruise with a package, because if you take a look at everything all together, you're going to need to do some work. You're going to need to say, all right, I want to go on a Western Caribbean cruise on this date in July or somewhere around that time on this ship. And you're going to say, all right, what does Princess offer for that? What does Celebrity offer for that? And what does Holland America offer for that? You're going to need to find a similar date, a similar itinerary, and similar ship, and then you're going to do some comparison and what you're going to get with each one of these cruises, because one itinerary and one date, Princess might be the best. Another itinerary and another date, Celebrity might be the best with the group rate. And finally, one itinerary and another date, you might find Holland America being the best deal. So just because the best value for what you're getting in these packages might be with Princess, the best overall value really depends upon the cruise you're going to want to go on and the date you're going to want to do it. So there you go, folks. That is my video about the 3 perk packages that the Premier lines have. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, hey, give it a big thumbs up, this video. It really does help that YouTube algorithm. It will help other people find this resource if they're trying to figure out what's included with these packages. And if you have not become a member of this Cruise Seekers community yet and you watched this video all the way through to this point, you might as well hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. It will be really appreciated by us. Thank you so much for doing it. And in the comment section, let us know which package you like the best. Let us know why you like it, and let us know why you think it's a good value. We love reading your comments here at Cruise Seekers. We love engaging with you folks in the comment section, and we try to answer back to every comment directed toward us. So until we talk again next time, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers reminding each and every one of you to always seek the seas. Bye now.